and we explored together the properties of a straight line graph, right?
Yes.
I am going to quickly revise them, and then we will have a few practice questions based on this topic.
Okay.
You remember that you are asked similar questions in your exam,
Yeah.
so you don't have to miss any similar questions when from this topic from the next time. We know that now you see another page where which I am sharing right now.
Yes.
General equation of a line is y equal to mx plus
B.
b, where m is called slope and b is called
Y.
intercept. Y-intercept means what? Value of y, value of y when x is 0. That is the meaning. Value of y when x is 0. So first of all, let me explain all these once again, although we have done it, but we will do it once
Yeah.
again. And in the previous class, I also explained you, just let me draw the line. This is our base, and when on this line we draw a perpendicular, that means the line that is making an angle of 90 degrees will be vertical line.
Yeah.
That means this angle will be 90. Is it clear?
Yes.
And now suppose you have any other line, like let me draw this line. We always measure angles in the anti-clockwise direction. So we
Yeah.
will move in this direction. So this is less than 90.
So it's
And from here to here, if you move, this is 90.
yes.
And if you move from here to say any line, anything beyond this line, that will be greater than 90. You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So when the line is making less than 90, m is positive. M is positive when line is making less than 90. Angle is less than 90. Angle is less than 90. Then slope is positive. M is slope, so slope is positive. And slope is negative when angle is
Great.
greater than 90. So 2 points you have to remember.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in order to write the equation, you need only two things. That is m, slope, whether it is positive or negative, and y-intercept.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now in this question, first of all, let me once again come to the exploring the properties. Now as I told you, this line is making less than 90 with x-axis. You know, when it is going to be equal to 90, it will be like this. I cannot draw here equal to 90. Oh, don't have option. But you know very well that this line, blue line, is making an angle less than 90 with this x-axis. This is our
Yeah.
x-axis. If it is perfectly straight vertical, then it is 90. Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
And if it is now, see here, it is greater than 90 now. See my cursor moving, and you will notice From here to here, it is not, I mean, it is more than 90. 90 would have been here itself.
Yes.
Let me see. Here at this point, m is 0 because it is neither, I mean, it is parallel to x-axis. So slope is 0. And
Yes.
now if you move towards left, it is negative. Slope is negative. And if you move towards right, slope is positive. Why slope is negative? Because this line is making more than 90. And here, if you move this side, this line is now making less than 90.
Yes.
So in this way we decide. And now what about, now you to check this line. Where is this line meeting y-axis? At y-axis x is 0. So it is meeting at y-axis at point 2. That is why b is 2.
Yes.
B can be any value, whether positive or negative. Till now, see, B is 0.9, B is zero point 0.7. Now see what is B. B is minus 0.8, B is minus 1 here. If you have noticed, B is minus 1. It is midway between 0 and minus 2. So B is now minus 2. So at whatever point it cuts the y-axis, whether it is in the positive direction or negative direction, below x line is x-axis is negative direction, below above y-axis is positive direction. So it is cutting in the negative direction.
Yes.
That is why B is. So this fundamental thing, these fundamental things are clear to you, I hope.
Yes.
Now you have few questions here on the whiteboard.
Yes.
Now you just need to find the equation. For finding equation, you have to find m, then b. M is positive or negative, whatever it is that you have to mention. Then numerical value and positive or negative value of b that you have to figure out. Then write the equation. So you
Okay.
can go ahead and try writing the equation.
Yes.
I will just explain one question, and then accordingly you will do the
Okay.
rest three questions. See here, in this particular question, part A, what do you notice? Angle is less than 90
Yes.
because 90 will be this line, and this line is, we are considering x-axis, and this will be 90, but it is midway, so it is less than 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
Less than 90 means positive.
Positive.
So M is positive. Now rise over run. So what is rise and what is run? That you have to find.
And
Now see here, we are considering this line. So from here to here, run is 2 and rise is 2.
two.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So 2 by 2,
Two.
that is
One.
that is 1. That means you got m equal to positive 1.
One.
And then what is b? B,
B is two.
no. Y-axis. It is cutting y-axis at minus 3.
Uh,
It is intercepting y-axis. This line is intercepting y-axis at negative 3. So
yes.
b will not be 2, it will be negative 3.
Yes.
And these all information, when we join them, y equals to positive and 1, and then x, because our basic equation is y equals to mx plus b. Y equal to m, we have written 1. M is positive, so positive 1, then x. and b is how much? Minus 3.
Yes.
So it will be negative 3. Your final answer will be y equal to 1 times x is x minus 3. Hope that makes sense to you.
Yes, I got it.
So in the similar way, you can do the rest of the questions
Okay.
and write the answers.
Yes.